Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making milk ice cream. Very delicious and I hope you give it a try. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'll add in 3 egg yolks and sugar. I'll mix very well until well combined. Please take note the heat is off at this point. Next, I'll add 1 cup of evaporated milk, skimmed or full-fat milk, condensed milk, salt to balance the sweetness. I will list the measurement in the description box. At this time, I will turn on the heat and cook on a medium heat until it comes to a boil. Keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Once that is done, I will turn off the heat. Strain it, allow it to cool down, transfer in a fridge and allow it to sit for 2 to 3 hours. The next step is to add the whipping cream in a bowl and whip until it's firm. You guys, this ice cream recipe is worth trying. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. It's so delicious and super creamy. Next, I will add the ice cream mixture and wait until well combined. Once that is done, I will transfer in my ice cream pop molds or ice cream container. Transfer in a freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And that is it. It turned out nice, super creamy and delicious. I hope you give it a try. My family really enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!